questions, Kenzie here. I'm going to teach you how to make flowers like this. So once you cut them and you pull the back off, you'll have this. And once you have that, you want to pull it off gently, like this. You want to start from the end of it, from the start of it. That's the end first, because you don't want to start from the back of it, so it gets that nice curl. And so when you take it off, you wanna make sure it fits all together, like that. You wanna make sure it fits back. Just move this aside, and then if you don't have the special raveling tool, you can take a bamboo stick and cut it in between, and then put it close to the edge, that the part you started unraveling at. And then you should, what I do is you take your thumb and you curl the stick around. And once you're done with that, it turns out like this. It turns out curled together, but then you want to drop it so it unravels and it's blooming. And then the bottom circle will be the platform. So you flip it over, bend it back, take a hot glue gun, and you can just glue the bottom of it, flip it back, and that's how you make flowers like this. So